Saw your question here, section 8, chapter 8, section 2. Suppose a simple random sample size 1,000 is obtained from a population that's 2 million, whose proportion has some characteristics 0.75. Looks like you went ahead and calculated the the mean is just equal to population proportion. The sample mean of the proportion same as the proportion for the population, and you calculated the standard deviation for the sample proportion. So you have those two, it looks like. So you want what is the probability of obtaining 770 or more individuals with the characteristic. And so first thing you got to do is that 770 is change it to proportion p hat. So you take and divide x by n, and n was given as 1,000, so 0.77. So this is same as asking, what's the probability p hat's greater than or equal to 0.77. So I come down here, I click on stats, calculator, pick up the normal calculator, put the mean of the sample and the standard deviation of the sample in here, and we want greater than 0.77. Click compute, it gives us a real nice picture. It gives us the number here, 0.0722, if you round it. I hope that helps.